Hi guys, so today we're going to be busy with functions. This is just going to be a basic introduction into what function is and just revising what you learned previously. Okay, so what is a function? It's basically just the relationship between two variables, okay, namely x and y. So if we take it back to like primary school time, I'm sure you guys will remember the diagram that looks like this, okay, commonly known as a spider diagram, okay. So you guys probably didn't notice it back then, or they probably didn't even tell you, but this is basically a function, okay, because everything on this side is your inputs and everything on this side would then be your outputs, okay, and then this part in the middle is technically your function, okay, which basically shows you how you go from your input, which is your one variable, to your output, which is your other variable, okay. So if we look at this one in specific, we have, let's say 4, 5, and let's say we have 10 on this side, okay. Then let's make this our variable x and this side our variable y. If we say 4 plus 2, we'll get an output of 6. Over here, if our input is 5, our function is plus 2, we'll have 5 plus 2, and our output is 7. And over here, if they give us the number on this side, we just work backwards, okay. So now our plus 2 will be minus 2, and we'll say 10 minus 2 is equal to 8, okay. And that is basically what functions is. So this is what we have encountered up until this point, but do you agree that it would be fair of me to say y is equal to x plus 2? Because remember, on this side I have my x, and on this side I have my y. So y being my output is my answer, and then x being my input is on this side, plus my 2, which was my original function. Okay, if we use those same values over here, you'll see that we end up with the same answers. So, looking at the first one, if 4 is x, then I'll say y is equal to 4 plus 2, which gives me 6. For my second one, if 5 is x, I'll say y is equal to 5 plus 2, which gives me 7. And over here with this one, if y is 10, let's x plus 2, and then I'm going to substitute my 10 in for y, okay. So I'll have 10 is equal to x plus 2, because remember, now I'm trying to figure out what is my unknown variable, x. So we know I'm going to keep my 10 on this side, but because I want to isolate x, I'm going to take my plus 2 over, and I'm going to make use of inverse operations. So my plus 2 now becomes a minus 2 on this side, and that is equal to x. 10 minus 2 we know is 8. 8 is equal to x, and therefore my input for the last one is equal to 8. Okay, thanks guys.